Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create text fade effect in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create text fade effect. Go to the Insert menu. Select the word art option and insert any word art. Now I write anything on this word art text. Now click OK. Now we want to create text fade effect. Click the word art text, go to the word art menu, select the change shape option, and we can see here many shapes. We select the fade effect and find and select this. There are many effects. We can see here many effects. We select the fade effect. Now we can see here the fade right or fade left. Now we select the fade right. Then increase the size. Now we can see we create text fade effect very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.